Okay, today we're doing pork belly, rotisserie chicken with baby potatoes, and we're gonna do it in the air fryer. This is the first time I'm gonna use the rotisserie thing on the air fryer. I have to get the chicken on that thing. So I'll show you if and when I can do that. Okay, I feel like Vlad the Impaler. I impaled this thing. What do you call it? I put a onion and a lot of margarine because I don't have butter in its holiest of holies. And now I am putting on some Robertson's barbecue spice, and then I'm going to put it in the thing and see if it turns. Okay, so this thing is on air fry, and as you can see, that huge chicken actually fits in there and it's actually turning. Okay, now I want to add a few things in there at the bottom so they can all cook together, and I will show you now. Sorry about the glare on the thing. Okay, cooked all the way to the bone. The meat is juicy and delicious, and it's in grandma's old casserole dish. So, rotisserie, great. Now I have a piece of pork belly and a few. Let me show you. Now I have a pork belly and a few potatoes in here, so that's gonna go with the chicken.